Man, I really wish Florida would make up its mind. One day it's 70, 80 degrees. The next day it's like 55 and windy. But still a beautiful place to be. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Kevin, KVIN in all caps. YouTube.com/@Kevin247. And I got to bring you guys some updates today. Today. I need more coffee. This coffee is actually pretty damn good. So, and today I've got some great news for you guys. I received a phone call last night. I believe it was after we finished recording our video, we were eating dinner, talking about real estate, talking about the housing market. And I received a phone call from a friend. And it's a good friend of mine who passed last year, and it was his son. And he reached out to me with some great news. And he's graduating high school, or he's already graduated, and or he's nearing graduation, and he is going to college. I was very excited to hear, and he's been accepted to Kennesaw State University, and he's going to pursue a master's in business and business entrepreneurship, and he has hopes and admirations of opening his own business, a shop, an automotive shop, custom fabrication, and taking the automotive modification world to the next level. Really cool. He wants to make custom one-off creations and, make dreams come true, basically. Perhaps even he mentioned trying to find an alternative form of fuel to keep internal combustion engines alive, but off of dinosaur juice. And he asked me, he says, Kevin, if you would please, I would really appreciate it. Could you write me a letter of recommendation and send it to Kennesaw State University on my behalf? I'm trying to apply for scholarships, so I will be doing just that later today. As well as got a special delivery coming in. Actually, it showed up yesterday. Showed up way faster than I expected it to. That's going to not only make recording these videos better for me and for you, hopefully, for your viewing pleasure and enjoyment, but Squirrel Tribe is super excited because she's getting a new phone. We ordered these, or at least I ordered these on Monday morning. I believe it was Monday morning. And Tuesday morning, they delivered. I don't know where they came from. I have to check the packaging, but they delivered in like under 24 hours, which is crazy because no store, Best Buy or AT&T in our area, had the phones, which is why we ordered them. And they showed up super fast. That's crazy. We got great deals on them. We got great trade-in, upgrade deals on them. And ironically, the phones showed up way faster than the phone cases. So we ordered special cases from Casetify. And we'll do a complete unboxing and show you guys everything when they show up. But we're probably going to be a week without our phone cases with brand new phones. So that's going to be kind of sketchy. So I don't know. Maybe we'll have to go get some temporary phone cases just in case, because these are expensive investments that we can't afford to risk dropping without phone cases on them. So I'm really looking forward to that. But folks, I came across this article and I wanted to share with you guys because I think right now this is a great read, and it's on Yahoo Finance. It says, I'm a self-made millionaire, and there are 6 investments everyone should make during an economic downturn. And honestly, I want to rephrase this title because I think there's 6 investments that everyone should make at any point in time, no matter what the economy looks like, really. And I've glanced over this, but I haven't read it completely. But I feel like it aligns with a lot of the things that I've said in the past and a lot of my beliefs. And it says that with inflation high and the market flailing, it can be challenging to figure out the best things to do with your money. And according to Thomas Kralow, a self-made millionaire and founder of university-grade trading education, and I quote, during economic downturns, it can be tempting to sell off your investments and keep cash reserves, but this is rarely a good idea. And that holding cash loses you money as inflation eats away at your savings by the day. The smart move is to stay invested, according to Kralow. Also noting that instead of trying to time the market, stick to a long-term investment plan that aligns with your risk tolerance, goals, and timeline, and never stop exploring your options, is what he says. And if this strategy works for the world's most successful investment firms, then why wouldn't it work for you? Good question. Similar to what we were discussing before with Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett. Why not align with the same basic principles and strategies that they execute for ourselves? Why would it not work? And as for where to invest your money during an economic downturn, Kralow recommends focusing on these 6 assets. Number 1, consumer staple stocks. Whereas consumer staple stocks are investments in direct-to-consumer companies that sell essential goods such as food, drinks, and household and personal care products. He says that the logic here is simple. They are always in demand. And even in an economic downturn, people won't stop buying the essentials, so the companies selling them are far less likely to see revenue fall. Additionally, publicly traded companies that sell consumer staples are often well-known legacy businesses. The wind is blowing my computer. Can you see that? They don't call it MacBook Air for no reason, I guess. Additionally, publicly traded companies that sell consumer staples are often well-known legacy businesses with a long history of success, is what he said, and they have a sizable share of the market, limited competition among companies of their stature, and steady prices, which is important during a recession when consumers are most sensitive to price changes. Kralow particularly recommends Coca-Cola, L'Oreal, and Walmart. They're big brands that have been around for decades and have comfortably survived everything the economy has thrown at them so far. Next up on the list is precious metals. Gold and silver are typically resilient during market downturns, is what he says, and precious metals are often considered a smart investment. Since the decades worth of data we have available shows they tend to hold or increase the value even in times of economic uncertainty. And this is largely because they aren't tied to the financial stability of a particular currency or country, which allows investors to hedge against inflation when times get tough. Plus, precious metals are rare and difficult to mine. We can't simply turn the printers on and create more like we do with money when supply falls short. Subsequently, as more people buy and hold, scarcity grows and their value tends to increase over time. There are a number of ways you can invest in precious metals, and he says that buying physical metals in the form of bars or coins is an option, of course, but then you have the issue of storing, insuring, and keeping them safe, which comes at a cost. Instead, you can buy exchange-traded funds or ETFs, which allow investors to add precious metals to their portfolio without having to physically purchase, store, and resell them. Mining stocks are another alternative. While some ETFs directly track the price of the underlying metal, mining stocks allow you to invest directly in the companies engaging in the exploration, development, and production of precious metals. Then there are mutual funds that allow multiple investors to pool their money together and invest in a variety of precious metal securities, including stocks and ETFs. These funds are typically expert-led and offer access to investment opportunities that are typically unavailable to individuals. Meanwhile, the healthcare sector stocks, just like consumer staple products, there are also staple services that we simply can't survive without. And healthcare is among the most essential, he says. People require medical attention, medicines, and services regardless of the state of the economy is in. Many stocks in this sector got a boost due to the C-19 pandemic, and the COVID crisis has made healthcare innovation an even greater priority globally, and subsequently healthcare stocks look to be safe, long-term bets. Kralow said, Moderna, the company behind the well-known vaccine, was priced at $22 per share in 2019. Today, it sits at around $140 per share. Other examples include Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, and AstraZeneca. However, never forget the story of Theranos and never blindly follow the buzz. Always do your research and rely solely on hard evidence of a company's success. Government bonds. As bonds are very low risk investments backed by the government, bonds provide a steady return that offsets the volatility of equity prices. And he says that given the minimal risks, bonds tend to outperform other investment types in a downturn. Not only do they provide a relatively safe investment, but also as a steady income stream in the form of regular interest payments, whereas they're also highly liquid, meaning they can be bought and sold in the market quickly and easily. However, there are a few things to be mindful of. While government bonds provide a steady income stream, they generally offer lower returns than other types of investments. And he says that interest rates paid by government bonds may not keep pace with inflation, especially at the moment, and their value fluctuates based on changes in interest rates. When interest rates rise, the value of existing bonds may decline. Number 5, cryptocurrency. Crypto is a high-risk, high-reward investment, and that Kralo recommends having as part of your portfolio. Now, they are similar to precious metals in the sense that they are not controlled by any one government or central authority, which can make them less vulnerable to economic turbulence. Likewise, email comes through this morning of Bitcoin. I'm about to lose my phone here. Man, it's like a tornado. Jesus. Hang on. I got an email this morning. Bitcoin price is up. Price alert, Bitcoin BTC is up 6.18%. Currently sitting at $28,531.56, 98.3% buy activity. Volume 19.9 billion. As well as Shiba Inu, Cardano, Solana, Ethereum. Meanwhile, he says that likewise, their supply is limited, and as we know, scarcity is an excellent driver of value. However, because crypto is volatile, don't invest everything into this one asset. It's also important to be strategic about which cryptocurrencies you invest in. Considering the ongoing crypto winter and recession risk, the bear market could still be an issue during 2023, he says. The safest way to invest in such a volatile market is to choose blue chips such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, as low-cap altcoins are a great risk of financial collapse. And we've seen the values crypto can reach. So the bear market is the perfect time to buy low. In the long run, when a new growth cycle starts, these investments should provide the largest rewards. And this is the part of the article, the blog post that honestly, I'm very happy to see. Number 6 on the list is one that I have mentioned before, and I'm glad I'm not the only one who says this. Number 6 is investing in yourself. Investing in yourself will always pay off. The knowledge and experience that you have will stay with you for the rest of your life, helping you to thrive no matter the market circumstances. Investing in courses, mentorship, and networking will help you avoid costly mistakes and open up new opportunities for you. In the long run, this investment will help you to minimize your losses and increase your profits. And folks, let's end on a positive high note for this video for today. Please, don't worry about too many things that could potentially go wrong. Focus on the things that could go right. Don't let the risk, the worry, the panic, the fear, the anxiety of all the bad news prevent you from focusing on what could be potentially good news. And most importantly, if you don't have any money right now to invest, but you're asking the question and or interested in getting involved in investing, then why not use this time and this opportunity to do just that? Invest in yourself. I hope you take this video and this information as motivational and informative and a positive message to help you reach your goals. Until next time, you all take care. Be safe. I'll see you real soon.